20% of enterprises have difficulty filling vacancies, leading some to employ applicants with qualifications below their initial requirements. This is according to a new survey by the Federation of Kenya Employers in partnership with the Africa Digital Media Institute and Nexford University. The manufacturing industry reported the highest difficulty in filling positions. The study concluded that most demanded skills among employers were engineering skills offered by technical and vocational education and training institutions, TVET. The study recommends that TVET institutions be empowered to train more on the engineering and information-related areas.
So the training programs we run must fill the skill gaps that we have and address the imbalances between supply and demand to meet the dynamics of the labor market.
The skills demanded by enterprises are evolving, and employers need more than just insights. They need actionable strategies.
People need to continue coming back into education, and as technology continues to evolve, these skill gaps will continue to. New skills will be required all the time.
If you are to deal with a skills gap, then it means the workplaces have to be involved. If the workplaces have to be involved, then you have to ensure that the age when the person is being skilled to address the issues we have found, that age is able to access the workplace and be able to develop some skills from the workplace.